Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find modules and routines in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for modes and routines we have to go to settings first. Then here we have modes and routines. And what do they do? Here we have a brief explanation. We have quite a bit of modes here, and we can always add more. For example, sleep mode, we can turn it on. We can customize this mode here. The same with all the other modes. Or we can add new mode. We can set up icon, name, and customize what it does it do and where and when. As you can see, our custom is here if we need it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.